Hello and welcome to Jamestown Technology, and today we're joined by our co-host Josh.
Hi everyone.
So today we are doing the Windows 10 review. So I have done some Windows 10 previews before, but still a lot of things have changed here now, and this is the final version. And yeah. So we're going to act like this is the upgrade from Windows 8 or 7 straight to 10. So when you first boot in, it looks quite different. You get the new trash bin icon. We have Microsoft Edge, which we'll talk about a bit later. File Explorer gets a bit of a bump up. Store gets a new design. Brand new start menu if you're coming from Windows 8 to 10 like I was. You're glad to have that start menu back. You've got a notification center a bit like OS X. You got this search, and you get quite a few performance updates and all that. So let's just dive into Microsoft Edge, why don't we? So Microsoft Edge is a lot better from Internet Explorer. Big difference. So it actually greets us. So yeah, right on any page, read distraction free, all in one place. Yeah, so you can draw on it, you can share. It's a browser that's better than IE, so it's faster, except it doesn't have support for everything. But it's still a lot faster. It's not as fast as, say, Chrome, but it's still getting there. And just to say, if you got an AMD graphics card, it will sometimes have problems. Like with my main computer, it did, so I had to go back to Firefox. So you can see we get a big difference in design, but you'll still find it pleasant experience and all that. So let's go to virtual desktop. Okay, so we'll get Josh to talk to you about virtual desktops.
Alright, so on the taskbar for Windows 10, you'll see this icon. It looks like a few rectangles. You click on that and you'll get something called Task View. So this is similar to the virtual desktops on OS X. So you can put Windows onto another desktop and then say you have Microsoft Edge on one desktop, and then you want to work on something else, play games maybe, you can just put a game onto another desktop and play it over there.
Yeah, no, I'd just like to say I found this out myself. There are shortcuts to switching between virtual desktops. So you go start button, control, and you can use your left and right arrow key to switch between them, and you'll get a bit of an animation. And also you can put as many, you can put as many virtual desktops on there as you want. So if you want a desktop for each application, you can, but I don't see how anyone's going to use 200 odd virtual desktops, but who knows. So going along the taskbar still, we get search. So that's an easy way to search for your things, which it does have Cortana, except Microsoft hasn't made it available to Australia yet, so we're still waiting, which I'd like Microsoft to bring it. And if once it does come, you can just say something weird, it will wake it up, and you can say the weather for such and such place and all that. If you don't like how it takes up most of the screen, you can just change it to an icon if you want. So let's get to the start menu. Go to the start menu. So left hand side, mostly like Windows 7. Right hand, you got Windows 8. So it's a Windows 8 and 7 mix really. and you can spread it out and do all that and make it to your liking, really. So let's have a look at updated File Explorer. Now it's not that updated, but gets a bit of a new redesign and all that, so it's nothing much to talk about, really. The Windows Store, though, that's gotten a big update. Now, most of the time you wouldn't have used Windows Store in Windows 8 unless you're a tablet user, but now there's actually something to use Windows Store for. Now, all your Metro app updates are going to be there. You can get Minecraft for Windows 10. You can get all those different games that are better, but you won't still use it a whole lot. Actually, we have a pop-up for Windows 10 beta here, and it's free for people who already have already have Minecraft. Sorry, it's weekend. And also all your Metro apps are all screened now, so they're not automatically full screened. And that's so. Action Center gives you all your notifications and some quick toggles. Now, what Windows does is it will optimize your experience for the certain device you're on. So if you're on a desktop, it will be like that. If you're on a 2-in-1, or like a Microsoft Surface Pro or whatever, when the keyboard's on, it'll be like that. But as soon as the keyboard's off, it'll go into this view. So it goes full screen, all the Metro apps go full screen, all optimized for a tablet experience. And what even I'm pretty sure phones can do, new Windows 10 phones, when you plug it into a monitor, it can actually display like full Windows 10. Except I haven't seen any of that, so I'm not certain that that'll work. All these get a new UI update, better looking, all that. So if we go into settings here, now Windows 8 settings was horrible. I stayed to control panel, but now you basically got to go in here, unless, well, you can still go control panel, but this is mainly enforced. You get all your normal settings. There is no icons thing, but you can go control panel, and that will get you everything except for like Windows updates and these type of things. So, and also you get a lot of updates now that's new and all that. So that also, if you are coming from Windows 7, there's going to be a major improvement worth of boot up time, shutdown times, overall performance, all of that. So this of course is a free upgrade from Windows 7 and 8.1 users for first year. So basically the start of August in 2016, the update will not become free and you have to pay for it, but it's a free upgrade. It's definitely worth the upgrade. So if you're coming from Enterprise or Pro for Windows 7 or 8.1, you'll get the Pro version. If you're coming from Windows 8 normal one, you'll just get to standard here. If you're coming from Windows 7 Home Edition and all of those except for Professional and Enterprise, you'll just get the standard also for here. So Windows 10 does come with a few installed apps like Candy Crush, except you can uninstall this. So you can easily just uninstall bloatware, which it doesn't come with a whole lot of bloatware. You get 3D Builder, which I'm you can uninstall. You get most of Windows 8 standard apps too, except you just get a few more, but they don't take up much space, and if you don't want them, you can uninstall them. Also, here's a brand new app that can make your life easier. Phone Companion. Now I only discovered this when I was just looking through the suite of apps to do this review. And what Phone Companion does is it can back up and transfer files from all your different phones, so Android, Windows Phone and iOS, easily without the hassle or getting different programs, which it won't load up for me. But hey, it's only newly released, and there's still a lot of bug fixes that still need to go through for it to become bug free, and nothing's really bug free, I guess. So that has been the review of Windows 10. Damn it. So overall, this OS is great, and if you're thinking of upgrading, go ahead. You might get those few little bugs at the start, but they'll be gone in no time. And you get your performance gains and everything, so there's nothing to lose. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.